Just picked up the brand new iPhone 17 Pro and need the perfect case to match its premium design? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the best iPhone 17 Pro cases available on Amazon. From slim and stylish options to rugged and protective designs, these cases not only keep your phone safe, but also enhance your everyday experience. Let's dive in and see which case is right for your iPhone 17 Pro. Number 1. TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit iPhone 17 Pro Case. If you're searching for a slim, stylish, and powerful magnetic case for your iPhone 17 Pro, the TORRAS Magnetic Slim Fit case is one you'll love right away. The first thing you'll notice is just how thin and lightweight it feels, almost like you're not even using a case at all. At only 0.03 inches thick, it preserves the sleek profile of your phone while still delivering impressive protection. Thanks to its upgraded X-Shock 4 corners, raised screen lip, and camera guard, you can feel confident that daily bumps, drops, and scratches won't be a problem. What really makes this case stand out is the magnet strength. With 38 high-density N52 magnets, it locks onto MagSafe chargers and accessories with over twice the force of standard cases. That means whether you're charging wirelessly, snapping on a wallet, or attaching it to a car mount, it stays secure every time. Charging is also seamless with perfect alignment for fast, efficient power delivery. The TORRAS Slim Fit also feels great in your hand with a soft, velvet-like finish that resists fingerprints and slips. If you want a case that's sleek, protective, and built for MagSafe convenience, this one's hard to beat. Number 2. Spigen Nano Pop MagFit iPhone 17 Pro Case. If you're looking for a case that blends style, protection, and functionality, the Spigen Nano Pop MagFit for iPhone 17 Pro might be exactly what you need. From the moment you snap it on, you'll notice the slim design that doesn't add unnecessary bulk, but still feels solid in your hand. The grip is especially impressive thanks to the coarse textured dot matter sides, which keep your phone from slipping even when you're on the go. What makes this case stand out is the attention to detail. The camera control button is covered with a thin TPU layer, giving you smooth functionality while keeping it safe from dust and scratches. And because this case is designed by Spigen, taking over from Caseology's Nano Pop line, you can trust the quality remains top-notch. You'll also love how seamlessly it works with MagSafe accessories and wireless charging, so you don't have to take it off for everyday convenience. The Spigen Nano Pop MagFit strikes the right balance between modern style and dependable protection, making it an easy recommendation if you want your iPhone 17 Pro safe without losing its sleek look. Number 3. Peerock iPhone 17 Pro Case. If you want a case that does more than just protect your iPhone 17 Pro, the Peerock case is built to impress. The first thing you'll notice is the 360 DEG adjustable stand. Unlike most cases with flimsy kickstands, this one rotates smoothly, locks firmly into place, and even stands fully upright like a mini tripod. Whether you're on a video call, binge watching in landscape, or scrolling hands-free in portrait, it gives you complete flexibility with rock-solid stability. What makes it even better is the 3-in-1 versatility. The stand doubles as a secure ring holder and integrates perfectly with MagSafe accessories thanks to its powerful magnets. You'll feel the snap every time it connects to chargers, mounts, or wallets, and it stays put without slipping. The detachable camera control button is another clever touch, giving you precise, responsive clicks while protecting the original button from wear. Number 4. CASEKOO iPhone 17 Pro Case. If you're searching for a case that does more than just shield your iPhone 17 Pro, the CASEKOO Magic Stand series takes things to the next level. At first glance, it looks sleek and minimal, but hidden inside is an innovative foldable kickstand crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy. It tucks away seamlessly until you need it, then instantly transforms your phone into a hands-free setup for movies, cooking, video calls, or work at your desk. It's sturdy in both portrait and landscape, and the smooth adjustment makes it feel effortless. The magnetic strength in this case is a real standout. With CASEKOO's MagPrime array of 48 high-strength magnets, you get twice the holding power of standard MagSafe cases. That means your phone locks onto mounts, chargers, and wallets securely even on bumpy drives. Plus, with near-nil power loss, you'll enjoy faster, safer 25W wireless charging without interruptions.
All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.